Morning guys, today we both are in this vlog because I will be giving Neil a makeover. Yes, I will be doing his hair and his beard if he allows me to do, because look at his hair. Look at his hair. He hasn't gone to a salon because everything was locked down and it's like,
guys, you just have to pray for me because I'm not sure what I'm going to be turning up into after this makeover. So I'm hoping that I should be able to present myself not only to you guys but to the rest of my office colleagues. Let's see how it works.
nothing like that guys. You will see he will look like a changed personality completely. So let's get cracking into the video right now. Okay, so first I'm using a towel.
Oh my god, what is this?
Sorry, sir.
My goodness.
No, not like this.
I was looking like a monk.
Like this? Yes, like this.
Whatever.
Okay, and I'm gonna use a clothes clipper.
Wow.
Okay, got it.
Really?
Yes, and this is my spray bottle. Guys, I'm using a spray bottle.
You want me to remove my specs?
Yes. Okay, tell me, what is the hair color or hair look that you want today?
So I want this side parting from here, and then I need this to be faded out.
Okay.
And probably this bit a little bit shorter.
Okay.
But I can have my spike look.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, yes. That's why I'm spraying rose water.
Because we have not started yet.
Yes, I can do. See, I'm spraying rose water in your hair so that you can smell good after having a haircut.
Let's do one thing. Let's play some music.
Okay, we'll play some music. Let's put the music on.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start first with don't judge me guys, because this is the first time I'm doing this haircut. So no, I'll be fine. I'm using this scissors. It's a kitchen scissor, by the way. I didn't have the haircut scissor. So let's start trimming first. So I'll put you guys on time lapse.
We can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections.
Right, so we'll be doing the side parting right now and see how and from where he wants the depth in his hair. So from here, do you want it from here?
Yeah.
Okay. And this side from here?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a band. Give me the band. Okay. So this is to margin. Is this okay?
Yeah.
This side, right? And this one. This side. Okay.
Why don't you take a clip which can hold it? Do you have a clip?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we'll start using the trimmer. Alright, so I'm using a Philips Series 7000 hair trimmer and I'm using number 5. Let's get cracking and I will put you guys back on time lapse.
imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
Alright, so almost after 45 minutes of hard work, this is what you see. Wow, it's looking nice.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my bro.
Why are you doing all these things? You should have made. You make layers. No, please.
Now you go out of my color.
All my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies,
I will not cut your hair. Go. Go. Alright guys, so this is the final look. You can see that Neil has got a haircut to the other side. This is the other side. And now we'll do a hair color and show you the final look. Alright, so this is the look post the haircut and the hair wash. Now we are gonna do a hair color. So there is a change of plan for the hair color. Initially we were using the hair color from streaks, but there was some, eruptions and some rashes in Neil's scalp that happened. So that's why we had to wash it off, and now we will be using the usual color that Neil uses. That is L'Oreal Paris Excellence No Ammonia Light Brown number 5. That's the color that he uses, and I think you guys can see he is in full focus right now and it's looking nice. So how is the haircut? Neil, how do you feel the haircut?
Awesome, excellent. At least looking great. I mean, I think you should take up this job very seriously. I'll be very honest.
Yeah, I'll do that. So let's get cracking into the video with the hair color now. Okay, so this is the one light brown that you're using. Put you on time lapse again. Using this color.
Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away.
Alright guys, so this is Neil's final look. How many times you have to say hi? So he has cleaned himself, taken bath, hair color done, beard trimming done. He did it himself. I didn't do the beard trimming because he was very, very afraid of me chopping one of his mustaches. So that's why he said he'd do it. So this is the final look. Let me show you a close-up. So this is it. You can see the vision. So I'm basically now a certified, you can call me a self-certified hair designer. So this is how it looks, and leave me a comment and let me know, did you enjoy this or not?
All my questions just to show me